Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you 10 windows, 10 window shortcuts and more importantly why which one actually make your life easier. Let's get started. So project to a screen, Windows plus P. So if you press Windows along same time P, the benefit here is speed. Instead of digging through settings to connect to a TV or projector, you do it in 1 second. So if you press Windows plus P same time, you will get this projector options. Instead of if it doesn't have shortcuts, you need to go to search and go to the menu and change this. Instead of digging through settings to connect to a TV or projector, you do it in 1 second. Right right when you need it, like right before presentation start. So this is one shortcut, project to a screen, and another one is snap layouts, that is Windows plus Z. So Windows plus Z is the benefit is no more wasted time to dragging and resizing windows by hand. You get perfectly arranged windows instantly, which means a smoother multitasking between things like search and writing. So this is the benefit. You try this option, Windows Chat, and so you will get the snap layouts option for that app. Then you can resize that. So that is another shortcut. Fourth one is clipboard. Third one is clipboard history. That is Windows V. If you press Windows V same time, paste anything you copied recently, not just listen. So you will get this window. From this you can select. The benefit is you never lose something you copied already. Normally copying something new, delete the old one. This shortcuts protects you from that mistake completely. So if you press the Windows V, you will get the clipboard history. From this you can select that which one you wanted, previous already copied text. The fourth one, very nice one, is voice typing, Windows H. If you press Windows H, you will get the voice typing option. The benefit is speed and comfort. You can reply to message just by talking, which is faster than typing and great when your hands are busy or tired. Suppose if you are typing something and you wanted to say and you automatically write that into the text box or WhatsApp, whichever you want. And if you press that when you're typing, and let's take example, you are in WhatsApp and you wanted to t- say something and automatically write into the text box of that text WhatsApp, then you just press the Windows H same time. Then if you say something, it automatically write it. So I already created video for this. You can verify. This is a fourth shortcut, Emoji and GIF picker. That is Windows dot. Windows plus period. This benefit is you don't need to your phone. Just add an emoji while typing on your PC. It's right there in an app, in any app. Suppose if you want to type something, you want some emoji, just press Windows period. It automatically show you the emojis, and you can also GIF picker. You can select, and this is another nice shortcut in Windows. And the sixth one is screenshot snippet. Windows plus Shift plus S. So Windows Shift and S, and you will get the screenshot option. So the benefit is precision. You capture exactly the part of screen you need instantly without opening any separate app first. So this is another benefit. and mostly useful when we wanted to take a screenshot instantly using Windows plus Shift plus S. With these options, you have option to capture the screen. And the next one is Snow Show Desktop, Windows plus D. So the benefit is clean instant reset. If your screen is clustered with windows, if you have opened so many windows, one shortcut clears everything so you can find your desktop icons and start fresh. So if you press Windows D, all the open apps will get minimized and you will see your clear desktop. That is the seventh shortcut. Unlock your PC. So this is the Windows plus L. So it will so we want to lock someone is coming if we wanted to lock instantly, just press Windows L, it lock everything. It lock your PC. Lock your screen into move when you step away. So that is the eighth shortcut. The benefit is moment you step away from your desk, you can lock your screen instantly, protecting your data with zero effort. So it's zero effort, right? Just Windows L. And Open File Explorer. The another one is Open File Explorer. Jump straight to your files without touching the mouse. Just if you press Ctrl E, you will see that in Windows File Explorer will open. That is the ninth shortcut. You reach your files and folders in one press without hunting through the taskbar or start menu. This is the ninth shortcut. Task view. So mostly we'll use this. See every open app and virtual desktop at a glance. If you press Windows tab, you will see the task view. The benefit is you instantly see everything open across all your windows and virtual desktops, so you never lose track of your work. This is a mostly used shortcuts on Windows. Which one you like first? Please comment. So that's 10 shortcuts and 10 small ways to save time every single day. Try one day and let me know in the comments which one you surprised the most. If this helps you, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.